Welcome to one of the greatest engineering marvels in Britain, the Pontcysyllte Aqueduct, also known as the Llangollen Aqueduct. Suspended over the River Dee in North Wales, it's the longest and highest aqueduct in the UK, and yes, you can walk or float across it.
First stop, Iceland, where we'll dance in the north.
Completed in 1805, this UNESCO World Heritage Site was designed by Thomas Telford and William Jessup during the golden age of canal building. At 1,007 feet long and 126 feet high, it carried the Llangollen Canal across a massive valley, using a cast-iron trough, an idea that was revolutionary at the time. Back then, this was the tallest navigable aqueduct in the world. And believe it or not,
Let me show you all the places that you've never seen. Come take my hand and follow me. First stop, Iceland, where we'll dance in the northern lights.
And then we'll take flight to Hawaii, and we'll dance in the northern lights.
Let me show you all the places that you've never seen.
the structure is supported by 18 stone piers, each spaced 53 feet apart. But the real genius lies in the cast iron trough, held together with flannel soaked in boiling sugar and lead. No mortar holds the iron sections together. Despite its delicate-looking design, this aqueduct is incredibly strong. Boats float just inches from the edge, and there's no railing on one side. It's like flying through the sky in a narrowboat.
So if you're ever in North Wales, the Llangollen, or should we say Pontcysyllte, Aqueduct is a must-visit. A masterpiece of history, engineering, and adventure, all rolled into one. Canal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you love hidden wonders like this.